So we're at Coastlands shopping centre today, and this is their brand new extension block. It's a standalone building, so not actually connected to the rest of the centre. It's got shops on the ground floor and then offices on the first floor. Now I already know what sort of lift they've got here because someone else has already filmed it. Here we go. It's an SJEC. Capacity 1000 kgs, 13 persons. It's MRL. It's not too bad. There's a speck on my camera. So I can clean that off. That's better. I think these are Shanghai step buttons. Yeah, they are. I think these are PB31. The same buttons that are used on the Otis Regen. And we'll go back up to 1 because I want to take some still photos of this lift, so I can do that on the way down. It's got doors could do with some work. It's a very nice lift though, even though it is a bit cheap. Here we are at 1. Oh wow, SJEC logic cabinet. That's not too bad.